Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is bacon-wrapped stuffed dates. Well, the holiday season is upon us, which means the holiday party season is upon us, and a classic holiday party appetizer is bacon-wrapped dates. Now, these are super delicious. They're really easy to pull off, so why not? Our dates are gonna get stuffed with some feta cheese and a little bit of seasoning. I bought a big slab of this, well, a 4-ounce slab. 4 ounces is gonna get us what we need for about 12 ounces of dates. I'm just breaking this up into pieces, and then we're gonna hit it with some jerk seasoning. Now, jerk seasoning is really great for this because it's got some of those warming spices that we associate with Christmas, but it's not your everyday seasoning. Like, it's a little bit more interesting. So you've got that Caribbean feel going on, but you've also got the warming spices. It all works really well. Now I've got 12 ounces of dates that have already been pitted, about 2 dozen, a little shy actually. We're gonna put a little piece of feta in each one, about half of a tablespoon. So now that we've got these dates stuffed, we're gonna take a half slice of bacon and wrap it around each one of them and just pin it there with a toothpick. There's not a lot of technique to this, but I will try and make sure that at least that opening is pretty well covered so that we don't lose too much of the cheese. Now before we throw these things onto the grill, I'm just gonna give them a little bit of a dusting of this jerk seasoning on the bacon. Now to make the transfer easier, we're just gonna throw these on the wire rack. That way we only have to move them one time. Today we're cooking over charcoal on the Kamado Joe Connected Joe, and it's running at 400 degrees. I'm gonna pop a chunk of pecan wood down there just to give us a little bit of extra smoke flavor. And then we're setting this thing up for indirect grilling. Now about 25 to 30 minutes into this cook, this bacon is rendered out. It's got some good color on it, so we're ready to pull these off. All right, let's get a taste. I know why this is a classic. It's because of the contrast. It's so salty from the bacon, smoky, but then you've got the intense sweetness of the date. And then that funkiness from the feta inside, a little bit of those warming spices, a little bit of spice from the jerk. Fantastic combination. Well, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.